Hello, my name is Clark and welcome to Programming Lab number 3. Uh, the programming lab for this time around is you're required to have an array of integers. The array name should be ABC and the size would be mn, and for the array C is m plus n. Each array will be populated by a random generator ranging from 0 to 1000. Numbers in array A appear in an ascending order. If not, use qsort. Numbers in array B should be in descending order. It should be written in C++ and should create a third array by merging A and B, and it should be in ascending order. Okay, so project location should be here. Software requirements, again, need to C++ 17, and installations are there. Environment setups is there. Okay. Basically, the program flow would be like this. When I execute the program, it would first set the srand, which is sets the seeds, which is used by the rand function to generate random numbers. Next, I need to declare and initialize. This is variables m and variables m and n with the value of 5. That's for the array length. So A would have a length of m, B would have a length of n, which are both 5, and C would have a length of m plus n, which is 10. And then it will then create an array, and then in this I would call the populate array function to add random numbers to array A. I would also call qsort function, which is a C library sorting function to sort array in ascending. Array A in ascending. Also, I would print array to show all the elements of array A. I would do that for the same for array B. And then for array C, I would call merge arrays function to merge A and B. And again, call the qsort to sort ascending for the array C and print the elements of the array. So I did encountered some errors. It's called segmentation fault 11 on assigned one value to two variables. So that time I was trying to do int space int m comma n equals 5, and it's not letting me, so I have to declare and initialize them separately. So again, lessons learned, qsort in C. So the key point about qsort is you have to have a comparator function because qsort requires parameters. First, the array, the length of the array, the size of the array in memory, and also the comparator function. And this is the example of comparator function. You can create your own, but basically you need to have a const void star a. It means that the const void is constant undefined and pointer to the element that was accessed, and the same with the other element that was accessed. And now we want to return them because it's undefined, so we're gonna typecast them again or recast them again to be an int type, which is this one. And then if A is greater than B, you return true, or else false. And with that, it will sort it by ascending. If I interchange B and A, it will be descending. Void star is when used as a function type. The void keyword specifies the function does not return the value. Okay. Const and star, the reference operator. Again, one thing to know about const, the const is constant and it's just a contract. Okay, this is just extra stuff. And let's go ahead and check the code base. So for the code base, we would include the IOS stream, stdlib for srand, rand, and qsort, and time.h for the time. I did not create a class this time around. I just used created functions. First is the void populate array, and it would ask for an array as a parameter, integer array, and a length for that array. And basically, I would iterate over the array and populate it with a random number, which is a modules operator 1000 plus 1. So that would give me 0 to 1000. Okay, so in print array, I just need to again ask the parameter for a integer array, integer length, and then my first line would be printing the bracket and the first element. This is for the fence post. And then afterwards I would put some comma in between elements, and at the end you add the brackets again. So this is the comparator function. This is the standard one, and I just renamed it to compare ascending, and the other one to be compare descending. As you can see, I just switched the places to have ascending order and descending order. Okay, for the merge array, basically I need array 1, array 2 as parameter, and int1 and 2, those are the length, and basically another array that you'd want the array 1 and 2 to be placed upon. So basically it would iterate over array 1, array 2 to put the elements in array 3. Okay, so on to the main function. Again, this is the program flow. This is important. The srand time parenthesis null is to have a true randomness, or else whenever you call the rand method, you would generate the same random numbers all the time. Okay, declaring my variables and initializing them, declaring my arrays and initializing them. No, just declaring it and specifying the length. Same with the letter C array. So we populate array A, qsort library. This is the array length, size of array, and the comparator function. And it would print out array A. Same goes for array B, but this time around it's descending. For array C, we first merge it, sort it again, C out, and there you go. Now let's try to run this program. Run build tasks and sort merge array out. There you go. This is ascending order, descending order, and merge with ascending order. Let's try that one more time. See, and let's make it more random. There you go. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you learned a thing or two. Thank you and bye bye.